Hello students, this is Teacher Charles again, and we have 2 more lessons in all of our lessons about sentences. We're learning about sentences. We're learning about past, present, and future. We're learning about nouns, a person, place, or thing. We're learning about verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs, and we're learning how to write sentences, and we're learning how to say sentences. And so now we want to study just a little bit about adjectives. You say this, adjectives. Adjectives. We don't say adjectives. We say adjectives. We drop the C as silent. Adjectives. And adjectives are words that describe or modify or they explain other words. An adjective will explain what another word is. It helps us more understanding. An adjective will tell us which, or adjective will tell us what kind of, or how many. An adjective is usually placed before the noun. Remember, noun is person, place, or thing. And so the adjective tells us which person, place, or thing. What kind of person, place, or thing. How many persons, places, or things. If you look at your slide, very simple, a blue bird. A blue, that adjective is blue. What color? A green bird, a yellow bird. A bird, no adjective. A big bird, a small bird, an ugly bird, a cute bird, a flying bird, a sitting bird. And so all of these are adjectives that explain a little bit more about the noun. So for example, the red motorcycle is mine. Which motorcycle? The red one is mine. So red is the adjective that explains which motorcycle. I have a fast motorcycle. Fast is the adjective that explains what kind of motorcycle. Is it a slow motorcycle, an old motorcycle, a broken motorcycle? No, it's a fast. And so all of those words are adjectives that describe something about our motorcycle. And the final example, I have an expensive motorcycle. Expensive is the adjective that describes something. Which, what kind of, or how many. Now if you look in your next slide, you're going to see some fabulous adjectives, many of them, and we don't have time to go over all of them. There's adjectives that describe appearance. Appearance, how something or something looks. Attractive describes about a person. Bald, no hair. Beautiful, chubby, clean, dazzling, drab, elegant, fancy, fit, flabby, glamorous, gorgeous, handsome, magnificent, muscular, plain, plump, scruffy, shapely, skinny, stocky, unkempt, unsightly. These are different adjectives that describe about a person's appearance, about what they look like. Adjectives that describe about a positive personality. They are agreeable. What kind of a person are they? They're agreeable. They're ambitious. They're brave. They're calm. They're delightful. They're eager. They're faithful. They're gentle. They're happy. Jolly. They're kind. They're lively. They're nice. They're obedient. They're polite. They're proud. They're silly. They're thankful. They're a victorious kind of person, a witty kind of person, a wonderful kind of person, a zealous kind of person. So these are positive personality characteristics, adjectives that describe a positive personality. We also have adjectives that describe a negative personality. He's an angry person, bewildered, bewildered person, a clumsy person, a defeated person, an embarrassed person, a fierce person, a grumpy person, a helpless person, an itchy person. a jealous person, a lazy person, mysterious person, a nervous person, obnoxious person, a panicky person, a pitiful person, a repulsive person, a scary person, a thoughtless person, uptight person, or a worried person. If you don't understand some of this vocabulary, don't worry. Use your Google Translate on your phone. I'm sure that you all have Google Translate. Type the word in and you will see the meaning. I don't have time to explain the meaning to you. But more fabulous adjectives. That an adjective tells which, what kind of, or how many. What kind of a person? A big person, a colossal person, a gigantic person, a great person, a huge person, an immense person, large person, little person, a mammoth person, massive person, microscopic person, miniature person, petite person, a puny person, scrawny means skinny person, short person, small person, tall person, teeny person, tiny person. So these are all different adjectives. So you want to learn how to use an adjective when you're talking. It's a blue sky. It's a fantastic day. It was an interesting time that we had together. Okay, so adjectives. So now your fourth assignment is to write 5 sentences using an adjective about something. And in your slides, you can see an example. I sat next to a handsome man yesterday. What kind of a man? A handsome man. I sat next to a fat man. I sat next to an ugly man yesterday. I sat next to a strong man yesterday. All of these are adjectives you can choose. I've gained weight. I feel a little chubby nowadays. I feel a little fat nowadays. I feel a little overweight nowadays. I feel a little lazy nowadays. These are all adjectives that describe what kind of emotions you're having, how you're feeling. A huge spider was in my bed. A huge spider, a gigantic spider, a teeny weeny spider, a small spider, a big spider, a black spider, a brown spider. These are all adjectives that describe what kind of spider. I saw a scary movie last night about zombies. A scary movie, a funny movie, a boring movie. And so these are all words that will describe about the noun, okay? And on the final slide, you have many, many other, what we call a strong adjective list. The condition, the size, the appearance, the feeling, the shape, the sound, the time. So all of this is resources for you as you're going to write 5 sentences using an adjective. Thank you, students. I know that you're going to do that.